Let's dive into the idea of layout and check out the three main ways we use to make the layouts in CSS today. In web design and development, layout means how we arrange text, images, and other stuff on a web page. Think of a simpler website with different pieces of content. We arrange these pieces in a particular way to create what we call the page's layout or visual structure. Building a layout means placing page elements within a visual structure rather than just stacking all the content items one after the other. Imagine if in our sample website all 7 content pieces were just stacked on top of each other. It will not look very interesting and it will be harder to understand the content. Layouts are important because they make our sites easier to understand and more attractive. There are basically two types of layouts: page layout and component layout. Page layouts decide how significant content pieces are arranged on a web page or website, and these larger page layouts are made up of components, each of which need its own layout. Components which are made from smaller pieces of content also need to be arranged nicely. And now let's see how we can actually make layout with CSS. The first method is float layouts, which use the float CSS property. Even though newer methods like Flexbox and CSS Grids are becoming more popular, you might still come across float layouts, especially on older websites. So that's why it's good to learn how to create float layouts. After that, we will look at more modern ways, starting with Flexbox. And Flexbox is great for making one-dimensional layout like rows without using floats. And it is good for simpler component layouts. Lastly, we will talk about CSS Grid, another modern method. With CSS Grid, we can create detailed two-dimensional layouts which are great for big page layouts and complex components. Flexbox and CSS Grid have revolutionized the way we handle CSS layouts. These powerful tools have completely transformed the approach to designing and structuring web page layouts. With their flexible and grid-based system, we can achieve complex, responsive designs with ease. The introduction of Flexbox and CSS Grid has made it much simpler to create dynamic, visually appealing websites that adapt seamlessly across various devices. In the upcoming video, we will begin our exploration of CSS floats. And now that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can put those in the comment section below. Until next time, keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.